Vinyl and Tool Supply sent me some VTS Super Pop 700 and I made this shirt. Video does it zero justice at all. If you've never heard of the VTS Super Pop 700, get ready to have your mind blown. So this is the VTS Super Pop 700. What it is a type of heat transfer vinyl that gives the look of two different colors. So on this one, it's white on one side and then we have pink on the other one. And this one is like, I guess the Bears colors. It's like a royal blue on one side and then orange on the other. All right, let's move over to Cricut Design Space and get these cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and bring my design in, and what I did was create a rhinestone template for this as well, just because I thought it would be super cool to have the two-tone colors as well as rhinestones around it. So I'm going to go here and upload, and this is actually the template that I'm using, and I'm going to add it to the canvas. And with rhinestone templates, you cannot move things around. So we've already cut our template out and got that created. So what I'm going to do is turn off all of the rhinestones. And this is all we are going to cut out. Let me measure my sheet just so I know that I have enough space to work with this. And I do. It is 12 by 10. So I'm going to click on make. My design is only 6.06 by 4.94. So go ahead and click on make. And it's going to try to get me to save it. So I'm just going to save it as Boss Babe. And I am using a 12 by 12 mat. Just go ahead and move this in just a little bit. Move my glass mat out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and put this shiny side down on my mat. And this is a thicker vinyl. It feels very similar to like the Brick 600. So back over here in Design Space, go ahead and mirror the design and click on Continue. And the settings for the VTS Super Pop is, so it says to use either cardstock more or bonded fabric, and I'm going to try bonded fabric. There's a lot of choices in here, so let's try the cardstock one. So with cardstock, there is a lot of different choices in here. And what I'm going to go with is medium cardstock and then put my pressure on more. Go ahead and load up my machine. The vinyl is coming up on the edges. It might be time to clean my mats again. I got a white t-shirt out. I'm going to try white on white. And before I remove this, I'm going to lift and make sure that it is cut out. And it is ready to go. So let's go ahead and remove it. We're just cutting around the edges of the design. And I'm going to go ahead and get this weeded out. I do like the thickness of this. But there's our design, and it still kind of looks like a single color. So you can kind of see the pink come through a little bit when around the white. We're going to press this with heavy pressure for 10 to 15 seconds. And I have my heat press set. It's all heated up and ready to go. And I had my press set for 10 seconds. I'm going to let it go for a few seconds more because it said 10 to 15 seconds on the instructions. And it is a cool peel, so you'll either want to let that cool completely, or I keep a ceramic coaster to help pull out some of that heat. And I'm gonna take this a step further and go ahead and press on some stones. And I'm just taking my template and positioning it over. And my stones, I got my stones from the baby's booty, and it is 350 for 12 seconds. So I need to up the temperature of my press. And there is our shirt. And you can see the two-tone of the VTS 700 Pop in there. I like this. It's a little bit raised, which is perfect. And I think the white on white is amazing. I hope you enjoyed checking out something new. I was really excited when I saw it. I saw it first on the Vinyl and Tool Supply TikTok, and I reached out immediately because I thought it was amazing. I really like the way the white and pink looks on white, and I just added the rhinestones for a little bit more of a pop. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment below. See you next time.